to pay your light bill with your phone in simple step using your Momo account on the Power app of ECG. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. Alright, so you have to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. If you're on Android, you go to your Google Play Store, then you look for this search icon here. This search icon, then you type in the ECG Power app. Then you hit on search or enter on your phone. It loads and you see this ECG Power app. Then you click on the install. When you tap on install, make sure your internet is strong and you have enough data. It will quickly install. So it's installing. The size is 30.69 megabyte as at today. So after installation, you see this option open, so you tap on the open. It opens and boom, it brings you here. So here the first thing they ask for you is enter your mobile number. So you make sure you enter a mobile number that you use to make your payment. Okay, so let me type my mobile number. Okay, then after typing your mobile number, you hit on login. When you hit on login, they'll send you an SMS code. So you go to your phone and then you pick the SMS message, the code they've sent you. It's 4-digit code so far, so you type it in. It loads and then boom, here you are through. So when you get to this point, we have several options. We have a meter or meters. When you select the meters, you see we have add prepaid. If you use prepaid, you add prepaid. We have add postpaid. If you use postpaid, postpaid is those that you pay after you've used, and I think that is the common meters around. We have add install third-party vendor account, add special low tariff. Okay, so in this tutorials we are going to look at adding a postpaid meter. So you just click on this plus button, then it brings you here. So here they ask you to type in your customer account number. So when you take your bill sheet, okay, you know, at the end of every month ECG workers brings you a bill. So you just pick that bill sheet and then you see your account number on it. So in my case, I'm going to type my account number. Mine start with 7, so I'll type in my 73. Okay, so after typing in, you click on verify. When you click on verify, it loads and it brings you this information. You need to make sure this information is exactly what it is on your billing sheet. Your billing sheet is your light bill. Okay, they bring you a light bill sheet, so you see these same details. If you are using prepaid, you see it on your card. Make sure it's the exact information and then the name and everything correspond to it. If it is true, then you click on yes, this is correct. When you tap on this is correct, they'll ask you what is the name of this house. So you write the name of the house. So some of houses have names. So let's say if my own is Shanko, alright, Shanko Bay. Okay, then they'll ask you where is the meter located. So here, if you are in your house, just tap on this location logo. Okay, then the GPS address will be picked directly. Then you can also decide to write the name of the location there. So let's say I'm currently in Nakwa. So good. So you see we are in Kumfi Nakwa or Nakwa Ghana. So I'm going to choose a Kumfi Nakwa. We have Nakwa Nurses Cottage. We have Nakwa Taxi Rank. Okay, so I'll just say Kumfi Nakwa. You see they've been able to input the data accurately on the system. That is so fantastic. So you click on use this address here, then it loads and then it pulls your geo coordinate addresses for you. Then you click on save meter. Now when you click on save meter, right now you see your meter, this Shanko Bay, this your number. You see every details here. So right now, if you want to pay a bill, you just tap on pay bill. Then they'll ask you how much you want to pay. Let's say you want to pay 10 cedis. You put 10 cedis. Then you tap on pay bill. When you tap on pay bill here, they'll ask you pay your post meter bill. So you are either going to pay by the my power up balance, or you are going to add another option. So here you tap on this plus button, and they ask you for bank and then mobile money. So you select the mobile money because that's what we are going to use. And then here you put your mobile money account number. So let me give you a scenario: 0240147. So then you select the network. It is MTN. Then you click save this wallet. So the mobile number wallet has already been added to a wallet on your Power App. So you can use two Momo numbers on one wallet. Okay, so this has been added already. So let me use a different number. The number I just used to register. Then you select the network. This is a Vodafone number. Then you click on save this now wallet. So it saves and boom, it brings you here. So if you have this, you now click on this. You see it's marked. Then you click on confirm. When you click on confirm, it brings you here. It gives you this option: confirm bill payment information. You are good to go. So payment amount is 10 cedis. Then pay wallet details. Make sure everything is correct. Then click on yes, this is correct. When you click on this is correct, they will send you a notification on your phone if you have enough balance. Then they will ask you to type in your PIN code. When you type in your PIN code, the amount will be deducted. If the amount is deducted on your phone, then you click on yes, I have paid. When you click on yes, I have paid, it will reflect in your balance. So if you want to see your balance, you just have to tap on this chip icon you see here. When you tap on it, it opens here. You see the name Shanko Bay, you see your following details, and then you see your current outstanding bill over here. Okay, so the moment you make payment, it reduces. So if I decide to pay 214, this will be 0.00. So this is actually fantastic. We have to commend ECG for this particular initiative, because sometimes you don't even know what you owe and you don't know how to pay. Sometimes it takes time. All right, so that is it for how you can pay with Momo. And importantly, when you pay with Momo, you are going to be given 300 megabyte for free. Right, so thank you so much for your time. If this video is very helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more great content.